Sila may duty pa ako bukas.
So it started because there was reports of rape for 14 years old and parang sexual assaults. So they suspected a minority group, which are the Romanians, Gypsy Romanians, who are doing the parang the deed, and they caught two of them were persecuted. They were in court and all of that. Northern Irish people, okay, they were fed up that the police is not really acting fast enough or not persecuting. It was supposed to be a peaceful protest, but things got out of hand. So some people started breaking glasses, yung mga windows. So they started throwing rocks, and some of those houses are actually Filipinos ang nakatira. So nobody knew who started throwing the rocks because it was supposed to be a peaceful rally. Pero yun nga, so one thing led on to another. Tapos there were Filipinos who are severely affected and traumatized. Tapos some of them in the morning, in-evacuate na sila, pero the second night, which was Tuesday night, was worse than the first night kasi nagkaroon na ng mga petrol bombs. Tapos nagsunog na sila ng mga bahay talaga. And there were cars that were overturned, tapos sinunog din. So, yung mga Pilipino, as much as possible, we have a community here who are helping. And we actually update everybody na stay at your home. Kung kailangan nyo evacuate, we will help. We are communicating with the police, the local police, and yeah.